Alright, so a few days ago, I found out that I was being promoted at work, and that as part of my new position, I'll need to work around the clock and occasionally come in unexpectedly, meaning it's very important that I always have my phone near me with my ringer on. However, my superior told me that my current notification sound is unprofessional. Now, if any of you are curious, my current notification sound is this. And for those of you who are wondering what that is, it is Toadsworth from Super Mario Sunshine and Mario Party 7. So yeah, as much as I love my notification sound, I suppose it was about high time that I get a new, more professional one. So, I asked a few of my friends, as well as some random people on the internet, which LEGO Death sound should I set my ringtone to? So, I created a poll with very clear instructions asking which of the 27 LEGO Death sounds should I choose. And I ended up getting about 180 responses, and the results were close, very close in fact. But it turned out the winner would be LEGO Yoda, winning by a very slim margin of 83 votes. And so, I invite you to join me in setting LEGO Yoda's death sound as my new professional notification sound. Beautiful.